Welcome. If you're tired of your phone vibrating every time you get an Instagram alert, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a simple and updated way to turn off vibration for Instagram notifications, so you can stay connected without the constant buzzing. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you control all your apps and notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Instagram from the list. This opens the app-specific settings where you can customize how Instagram behaves on your phone. Now, look for the notifications option and tap on it. Here, you'll see all the notification settings related to Instagram. To get more detailed controls, tap on Notification Categories. Within Notification Categories, find and tap on Alerts. This is where Instagram manages the alerts that usually make your phone vibrate or sound off. Finally, you'll see a toggle labeled Vibrate. Simply switch this toggle off to stop Instagram notifications from vibrating your phone, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off vibration for Instagram alerts. Now, your phone will notify you silently without any buzzing, making your experience more peaceful. This method works on most modern smartphones and ensures you stay updated without the distraction of vibration. If you ever want to turn the vibration back on, just follow the same steps and toggle Vibrate back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter Instagram experience.